I'll be loving every family.
Who are we?
We are
the Honor family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder which you light of mine. I've been feeling shine away from who I really am. I wish the world would slow down so I can have my own peace of mind. But I won't shine away from who gon' take mine. Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.
Okay, baby. Hey, what is y'all doing over there? Alright, you guys, so we're gonna do a car tour. Yes, it's a Kia. And then, so we have the voice control, the answer button, the hang up button, and then the volume to turn the phone call up. That's if you use the, the phone call, whatever. We have the radio, turn the volume up, or I'm pretty sure this is turn it up and to push. You gotta push it to turn it on. We have a phone, the radio media, the menu for like the little screen, and then this is to change the channel. These are obviously to change the channel too. And then you also can put a CD in here, and that is to show like if the airbag is on or off. And then of course the AC and the heat, and then you have a USB cord, an aux, and then another little charger piece. Park, reverse, neutral, and drive. I'm not sure what the plus and minus button is, but and yeah, the cup holders, and then you have a little area right here, and right there. So the seat, and then the lights, and this is the back seat. Basically the same. Hey, baby K.
Hey.
You in grandma's car?
Mm-hmm.
I'm in grandma's car.
I am grandma's car.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, you guys. That's the front of it. And yeah, she just got it today, you guys. It's brand new. What is this? I'm not sure what that is. But you have the mirrors. And another one on that one. Then you have the glove department. You have the button for the mirrors. Lock the window button to lock them, and then the front and back buttons to roll up and down the windows. This, I don't know what that is. I think this is like the lights. I don't know, but yeah. And then we can show you the trunk. So we're gonna I'll be back with you guys when we show you the trunk, because basically this is all. And then of course, the nice seats. And she also has a steering wheel lock to go with it. So yeah, we'll catch you guys back when we're done recording. When we're done in the interior. And then we'll move on to the exterior. So let's go. Bye.
What's up, YouTube? It's Thunder Family, and we back with another clip.
Hey, you guys. So it's later on the night, the same night, you guys. We just wanted to come on here to tell you guys that we hope you enjoyed the car tour of his mama's new car. We really enjoyed filming it for you. I feel like it was a nice, recording video. And then getting her reaction on camera. She wanted to be recorded, you guys. She was like, record me too. So I recorded her, and then we did like a little interior tour for you guys as well, and exterior. So yeah. So how you doing tonight, babe?
I'm doing fine.
Hi.
Hope everybody doing well. Hope y'all had a wonderful day today. Hope everyone blessed. Yeah, I just hope everybody doing well and wonderful and beautiful spirits.
Stay motivated. Stay happy. And I hope you guys have a good night's sleep and wake up in the morning with a smile on your face, because it's another day, another blessing for you guys.
So yeah,
If you like this video,
if y'all liked this video, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you could be notified when the Aunt Fern will upload our next video.
And the Honor Family is out. Good night, YouTube. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
The Honor Family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.